Good morning, this is Chris from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. We're going to start another bathroom today. I'll just turn the camera around. This is, here we go, we come in through the door. The toilet is right there. That's a spa bath. And a nice big shower there, nice big niche. It'll all be one level, no hob, no obstruction, nothing. It'll just be one sheet of glass for the shower. It's going to be in two colours, the tiles. The floor will be in a darker colour coming up the wall here. G'day mate, it's Chris from down under, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. What I'm doing now, with all the walls sealed, I'm now doing silicone on the internal corners, which is a must for my waterproof. See this? Please subscribe. If you would, I'd be very grateful. Thank you. The internal corners are all silicone. It's a big thing. Waterproofing, because if a shower is not waterproofed properly, you're in trouble. There's always a wrong way and a right way, and what I'm trying to show you, DIY people, is the right way. A lot of things get done wrong. I've been a tiler for 35 years. I'm proud of it. And if I can teach you what I know, well, I'll be super happy. I like to use this reinforcing mesh for my showers, because when I know I've got it, if I don't see it, it's done properly. When I don't see it, when it's waterproofed, is what I mean. I hope you can see what I'm doing. The owners know already, and I've just started, the owners know already they're going to get a fantastic bathroom, because their ensuite is absolute rubbish, and it was tiled 12 months ago by a so-called tiler. And there's major mold issues and goodness knows what. They are just so unhappy. So what will be happening is once they've got use of this, they'll be tearing out all the ensuite again. And it's, like I said, it's only 12 months old. And I'll be tiling that as well. The owners have sheeted these walls. They have stripped it all out and resheeted it to save some money. They've done a very good job. They've screwed it off well. Every 200 mil they've screwed it off. That's brilliant, because once the tiles go up, you've got a fair weight hanging off the walls. So if your cement sheet isn't screwed off or nailed off properly, you could be in trouble. But he's for a homeowner, DIY, he's done a good job. It's going to look fantastic with what are they called? Shutters, with the white shutters. This bathroom will look absolutely beautiful. G'day everyone, this is Chris from Down Under, Queensland, Australia, Gold Coast. So I'll just pop this on my head. Rightio. Now you see where we're up to. I've put in my aluminium angle. That's my water stop. I've got a puddle flange in there, so that's going to have no leaks. I've got to silicone around here. That is a biggie. It must be waterproof at all times. So we'll I've explained in other videos that water can be sucked in behind the cover plate, and people think it's a leaking shower, but it's not. The water is actually running down the back of the sheet. People think that the waterproofing has failed, but it actually hasn't. So it must be. I've got to do that one up there yet. Smooth it out a tad. You don't have to be super flash. Just smooth it off slightly to get your waterproof on. See how I've waterproofed, done the silicone in the niche. This is a brilliant bathroom to come into that a DIY has prepared. He's prepared it well. So what we'll do is start waterproofing. I will be doing silicone out here and waterproofing it all around here, but I'm going to do my shower first.